Guys,
Brother, we have to
guys, we are
guys,
we are going. I have 300 gems now. We can make it. By the way, what will we be? Oh shit. One level 7 is here only.
Where?
Oh, I have many defending pods. When I will be full, I will just delete all the defending pods and change it with the torpedoes.
Oh,
Because I have a lot of gems. A lot. I have 3000 of them. I have contributed 3000 of them. Guys, again, this is a long video. It has been 50 minutes playing here like this.
help me, King Cobra.
Hey, you. I will not.
No, he's left.
500. I have 500. Yes. 500.
Seriously, you are such a fast miner.
That why I tell just be in my side. Which path I go, like from Trident to Howler to like that to Barracuda. First time I like that Rock Tower. I like Rock Tower. This time I am liking Barracuda. It has more energy power. Shit, level 7 is attacking us. Oh shit,
Where?
one level 7 is in front of me. I killed him. Fast, I am going from here.
Oh no, we are in trouble now.
Shit, I died.
We are in trouble.
Some
Aren't we?
if just I can reach to contributing center, I can buy 7 of them, the torpedoes. I can buy just I can if I will be in contributing center. My heart is
Can do
beating.
what?
If I reach to contributing center, I can buy all the torpedoes. I have 3000, so I can buy all of them. If shit. The contributor of blue team is in front of me. Shit.
We can kill one level 7 because he is
They are killing me.
girl.
Oh shit. Please be on time. Oh, so close. You were in contributing center. Why? I wanted to be in contributing. Oh, they are running away.
Oh no, get inside. Get out of here. Get in. No.
Contribute those gems to me, and I will buy torpedo. I'm so close. Every time I'm so close to the contributing center. How did you reach there? How? Just tell me how. I will go to the contributing center. Oh yes. The path is cleared for the contributing center. Yes. Please go inside. Barracuda.
Just hide. Come on, get in.
Yes. Got torpedo.
Get in.
Oh, I have all 7 torpedoes. Now I will miss. Oh shit. He's killing me. Oh, he died. Lol. He died. 1 torpedo left.
You also died.
Yes. I killed 2 of them.
What?
I killed 2 of them.
Impossible. Come back now.
Not impossible, really. And now his friends is coming.
Level 4 now. I'll have an advantage. Why
You know, I am going.
You are a healer.
Yes. Lol. I'm going. I killed 1 more of them. Please. I am killed. You know what?
I lost 2 things. Thus we can still win.
No, I am now not Barracuda. I am Howler again.
Oh no. There we come.
Without me, we can't win. I have contributed all of them. Now the gems are going.
So I'm contributing it again. I have to get out and run. First of all, I have to run. Because I have got full speed, I can run.
I have also got full speed.
No tier 7 can catch me.
I can run. I can't run. Green is. Hey. Green is still there.
What?
Green is still there in the match.
Yeah, who knows? Why is That's I am mining.
Where? Oh no. I'm going to die again.